Are you tired of missing out on your favorite Mexican dishes while sticking to a keto diet? It happened to me too. I get it. It's hard, but I've got your back. Indulge yourself with these savory and easy to prepare Keto Tamales Masa, which have just 4 net carbs per serving. With all of the authentic flavors and wholesome ingredients, each bite is gonna relax you so much that you'll feel as if you were back in Cancun. Let's start by shredding a single corn husk into slim pieces. We'll use these raw slim pieces to wrap our tamales later. Then place the uncut corn husks in a pot of warm water and let them soak for 30 minutes until they become soft and flexible. To create your masa dough, whisk together the almond flour, sweet corn extract, sea salt, cumin powder, psyllium husk, and baking soda until thoroughly mixed. Pour hot water onto the mix and stir well until you achieve a dough-like consistency. Cover your masa dough mixture with a plastic wrap and cool it inside your refrigerator. Now it's time to prepare our delicious tamale filling. This is by far my favorite part, as it will give us that Mexican flavor we're craving so much. Mix together boiled shredded chicken meat with low-carb salsa. Set the mixture aside and refrigerate. Once the corn husks have softened, place them flat and dry them with paper towels. Take out your masa dough and tamales filling from the refrigerator and start assembling your tamales. Scoop out a generous golf ball-sized portion of the masa dough using a cookie scoop, or if you don't have one, a soup spoon, and spread it evenly onto each corn husk. Now scoop out a tablespoon of the tamale filling onto the center of the masa dough, leaving some space around the edges so we can fold this properly. Fold in the sides before rolling it up and securing it with either a repurposed corn husk or a kitchen twine. Keep repeating this process with the remaining dough and filling. Place the wrapped tamales in a steamer or instant pot for about 35 minutes until the masa is cooked through. Carefully remove the wrapped tamales from the steamer and let them cool down for a few minutes before unwrapping and serving them. What an absolute delight! Serve these Keto Tamales Masa with an elegant presentation on a plate tailored to your taste. You can serve these with toppings like fresh pico de gallo, avocado slices, Mexican blend cheese shreds, dollops of sour cream, or aromatic cilantro leaves.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.